Australia is in a recession right now, and that's generally bad news for our finances and investments, at least in the short term. But if you have a home loan, there might be a silver lining that you can take advantage of right now. In short, there are two things every Aussie with a home loan needs to know. Firstly, interest rates are incredibly low right now, and secondly, your current home loan rate is probably much higher than the lowest offers on the market. Why? Because even though rates have been dropping for months now due to, well, everything, lenders are under no obligation to pass these cuts on to existing customers. So, as much as switching your home loan sounds like a bit of a hassle, once you do the maths, you might realise the savings are worth the work. For example, according to Finder data, the average home loan interest rate is 3.3%. But some mortgage rates on Finder right now are nearly as low as 2%. With the average Australian refinancing a loan of between $400,000 and $500,000, that could translate to a saving of about $60,000 over 20 years. Yep, we're not talking pocket change here. To put it in another way, you could save more than $3,000 every single year over the course of your loan just by switching now. So suddenly, that bit of admin feels very worthwhile. Of course, everyone's circumstances are different, and your savings could be less or more depending on your current loan amount, your interest rate, and a bunch of other factors. There's also a few things to consider when deciding whether or not refinancing is really for you. First of all, if you're on a fixed rate mortgage, your loan will probably come with breaking costs, which make it harder and more expensive to switch. Unfortunately, it will also be harder to refinance if you've recently lost your job. Although it's not impossible, new lenders can be hesitant to accept applications from anyone who could be seen as risky, even if you're quite comfortable financially. And be prepared for rates to rise again in the future. As much as lower rates could be here for a while, they certainly won't stick around forever. So be realistic with your repayments and prepare to ride out the highs and the lows. If you think you could benefit from switching your home loan, read our full guide in the description and check out our refinance table to see how much you could save. And for more money saving tips and tricks, remember to subscribe to the Finder Money YouTube channel.